Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Sunday Igboho release. Sunday Igboho release handed over to Banji Akintoye in Benin Republic. Yoruba Nation campaigner Sunday Adeyemo, also known as Sunday Igboho, has been released in Benin Republic. Igboho was released on Monday to Yoruba Nation arrowhead leader of the umbrella body of Yoruba Self-Determination Group Ilana Omo Oodua Worldwide, Banji Akintoye. Checks by the nation showed the 49-year-old agitator has spent over 239 days in Benin Republic prison after he was arrested on July 19, 2021. Many supporters are lamenting the continued detention of Igboho without trial. The legal battle to either extradite Igboho to Nigeria or free him has witnessed a series of dramatic twists and turns.